So now that I have pushed the updated index.html onto our GitHub repo, so we should be able to see it on our GitHub webpage. So this is my GitHub repository. You can see there is an index.html file committed 8 minutes ago. And now if we go to our github.io, so this was the previous one when it was showing the the readme file, but now we have index.html. It should show something different. Now it has found an entry point. So you can see, because I have updated the index.html, so it is showing what the contents of my index file. So what it means is that by default GitHub will use the index file as the entry point. If it doesn't, then it will just show the readme file. So everything you want to put should be in the index.html as the first landing page of your website. So let's go back and follow up on what we want to do next. So that now that we have this index.html file, so I'll do an ls.l. So you have index, and then this is a sample downloaded index.html. So what we want to do is we want to delete the existing file because we want to rename this to the new file. So what I'll do is I'll delete the existing one, the rm index.html, and I'll move the sample design to index.html. So index have a new index.html file. So you may not be familiar with this color coding. This is because I am using a Z shell. That's why it automatically recognizes that this is a Git repository. It's a master, and the cross means it's not. It's out of sync, so it's not committed. There are changes that are not committed yet. So that's fine. That's fine. I'll do that later. So I have this index HTML, and so I'll do a edit of the index.html because now we want to change the contents. So once you do that, I'll make it large because it's, so you can see there's a lot of text in this HTML. To begin with, there is an HTML tag here. The doc type HTML is basically defines some format of HTML. No need to worry about it. So index HTML, and then there is some additional references. There is a head tag, and then there is a title tag here, and then there is a style. There are other links to different things which we don't need to know now. So this is a title, and then as you go down, you see the style tag ends, the head tag ends, and then you have the body tag, which has all the body information and different other format. And you can see there is this links. You have this your email.gmail.com, and then your media link. This is the image link. So we have to update this, to update our page. What I'll do is I'll just check what is there in the tutorial. So it says update the index.html. First update the title, then update the image media link. So let me update the title first. So I'll go and update the title. So your name, this tag, I'll delete it. And I'll say I'm crazy coder. So this is my tag. So I have updated the title. And then what we want to do is we want to update the image links. So it says that this is where you should update, and then there will be multiple places where we have to update this. So let me find out where the image link is. So you see there are two links over here. So one is over here and another one is over here. So now that we have these links, we want to update it, so we need an image to do that. So what I will do is I'll use my LinkedIn profile image. So let me go to my LinkedIn profile, and what I will do is I will do an this is my LinkedIn profile, and the easiest way to find an image is the profile link itself. So I'll click on that link, and then I'll open the image in new tab. Once you open the image in new tab, just make sure that you have the entire link in this image, and there is a .jpg. So I'll use this, copy this link, and I will use this link as the image link for this. So I will delete this. This is an easy way to do it. You can also use your Facebook link, Facebook images, but it has to be, just make sure that you right click and open it in a new tab, and you are in the web page, just like I showed you. So you should be able to see the image using this link, and if you refresh this link, it should be working. Another thing to note: this link should be public, meaning you can check, open a incognito window. So I'll open an incognito window and make sure this link is accessible. It's a public link. So yeah, this is accessible. So I'll use this. And once you have done that, I'll update this link. And then there is another tag where you can update. So your image media link. So let's go and update this link as well. I've updated this one. And the next thing we want to update is our email addresses. So if you follow the tutorial, there is so the next thing you want to update is, after the image, you want to update your email, and then you want to update your text, which is in the h1 and p tag. So let me update my email. So there is an email at gmail.com. So I'll update that. I'll do Noddy for Nods. This is my email address. And then, like I mentioned before, this is the link to your email. However, this is a display text. So you have to update even here. So I'll go here and I'll update Noddy for Nods. And then there's another place you have to update over here as well. So I'll go here and change this link. I'll just do a copy paste because it's easier. I've updated here, and let me update here. Okay, then here I will do, so here this is basically the text. So hi, I am, and you're writing your name, and then you're writing I'm CTO of XYZ company, and whatever you want to write. So I'll update the name first. So I'll say I am crazy coder, and I'm the founder of Useless company, and I like things on football. I like to play football. Once I've done that, I'll save it, and then I'll go back to my terminal editor. So I managed to do everything. What I did was I updated the title, and then I updated the image link. Then I updated the link for my email address, and I think I updated the bio text. So now that we have done all this, we are ready to commit. So I'll git add as just all. Sorry, I made a typo here. And then I'll do git commit that's all, and index modified. Save it, and then I'll do a git push. It'll ask me for my username and password, so I will do. So now that I have pushed, so let me go back to my web page and see crazycoder.github.io. Refresh it, and you can see this is my web page, and it is online, and you can see all the links.